Hi, this is Svenja, and today's video is about technique. In this video I want to show you the minimal movement exercise, an exercise that I learned many years ago and that really improved my play. When you want to play fast, it's important that the ways of your fingers to the strings and onto the fretboard are as short as possible. I often see beginners pointing their fingers away from the fretboard, like this, or like this. And the minimal movement exercise will help you keeping your fingers close to the strings and also to fret chords much cleaner, since you have to take care that you don't mute adjacent strings. It's also a good finger independence exercise, so as you can see, there are many benefits. You play this exercise like the spider exercise that you probably already know, like this. But you begin in the 5th fret of the 6th string. You can also begin a few frets higher, but for most people the 5th position is comfy enough. The fingernails of your fretting hand have to be really short, like this. I hope you can see it. So now let's switch to the close-up and I'll show you how to play this exercise. You begin with the exercise on the lower E string in the 5th fret. Play it slowly and with alternate picking, like this. As you can see, all your fingers keep pressing the lower E string down and you don't lift them up. And when your pinky is fretting the E string, your index goes over to the A string. I repeat the exercise from the beginning. The fingers on the E string keep pressing the E string down, and it's important that the string keeps ringing when you go over to the A string with your index. And of course, when you went over to the A string with your index finger, your other fingers follow, while the fingers on the E string keep pressing the E string down, and the fingers on the A string keep pressing the A string down. And of course, when you went over to the A string, you continue with all of the 6 strings. And of course, you can play this exercise backwards. And when you master the exercise and don't have the feeling that you improve further with it, you can make it even more challenging by adding string skipping. I'll show you how to play this. So as you can see, you switch from the lower E string over to the D string, back to the A string, from the A string to the G string, and so forth. And of course, you can also play this exercise backwards. When you practice this exercise on a regular basis, like let's say every day for 5 minutes, you will notice after a few weeks that your finger independence really improves. And also that your chords and chord changes are much cleaner since you don't mute adjacent strings, and that riffs and licks are easier to play for you since you are able to play them faster and because your fingers are much closer to the strings than before. I'd like to read in the comments how the exercise helped you improve. I'd also appreciate it if you leave me a like. If you want to be the first to know when a new video is online, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. If you understand or speak German, you're also invited to read my blog, svenjasguitarlessons.de. Now I'd like to thank you for watching, and until next time, keep moving.